Birla Public School, Ganganagar proudly presents a special assembly by the young and talented students of Class 5th B, based on the thought-provoking theme Between the Lines, Stories, Schools and Home Might Miss. The morning began with a warm arrival of parents, followed by the traditional Tilak ceremony, creating an atmosphere of respect and togetherness. The program continued with the heartfelt welcome note and auspicious lighting of the lamp, followed by Saraswati Vandana seeking blessings of wisdom and knowledge. The students then welcomed their parents with a melodious group song setting the perfect tone for the morning. The assembly featured the Hindi Panchak, word and thought of the day, significance, and shared the news of the day, keeping everyone informed and aware. Adding energy and emotion to the assembly was a powerful Nukkad Natak presented by students, highlighting the stories and feelings that often remain unnoticed between the lines of everyday life. The morning became even more enjoyable with fun games for parents, followed by a vibrant group dance and insightful speech on the theme. The highlight of the assembly was the words of wisdom by our respected principal sir, inspiring students and parents with valuable thoughts and life lessons.
My deepest congratulations for the coordinator ma'am, the class teacher ma'am, for really making the children feel so elegant. And I'm sure that the feel what these all children may be taking at home, that is a key takeaway of this morning assembly.
Followed by a sincere vote of thanks and a memorable group photograph. The assembly concluded with an engaging parents' interactive session, providing an opportunity to connect, communicate, and understand one another better. Birla Public School, Ganganagar, a step ahead.